When you look at the very wide set of areas where innovation and technology is required in the food and agriculture landscape, you know that each innovation or each technology intervention will be one small piece. It is extremely important that many such small pieces are done in concert or in a synchronized manner for the multiplier effect to benefit everybody. So when we see a range of innovations today, I think a larger ecosystem should get inspired in many other innovations that will make benefits of each of these innovations come true. So I think one of the objectives of an award function when we recognize so many achievements by different people is not only from just that sector or that leg, but when we see a cross-section of innovations, cross-section of technological interventions, how the whole thing will rise up together is one idea, and I think we will see that when we see a range of awards this evening. The second important piece is that also when you look at the awardees, when you talk about innovation, it is the power of idea. There is no economy of scale in ideas. You will have smaller entrepreneurs with brilliant ideas. You have startups doing many wonderful things. And so it is not necessary that it has to be a large company or a government or those kinds of bodies which need to innovate and bring technological changes. The challenge and complexity of agriculture and food sector may be very large. The opportunity may be very large. But I think the interesting thing is that there is no scale of economy in the innovation and technological intervention. So I think everybody can get inspired from that, irrespective of whatever different kind of roles that we are playing in the whole sector. And those innovations, I think, will take us forward. So that is my second thought I want to share this evening. And I'll compliment all the winners with those thoughts.